बीट पे है राक्षस। पिता और पुत्र ने चलाई है जो रीत, सह रही इतना बोझ दबा के अपनी चीख। लगे थे हजार कांटे चुभे जो राह पर, इलाके में हुई प्रगति जब हुई सुशिक्षित। पर अमीरों के इमारतों में भी नहीं सुरक्षित महिला अभी। हर मुश्किल में वो डट के जब सोचन की घटिया पुरानी परिभक्षित। बड़ा अपना ज्ञान कर दिमाग विकसित। हुआ हादसा 5 में से 3 के साथ, खुद के रिश्तेदार गुनहगार इस्तीफा। 4 दीवारों में फंसी खुशियों को देती फांसी। साहसी ना कोई दासी, गम को भुला के हंसी। कब तक ढूंढते रहेगा बंद आंखों से खुदा, तेरी लाज भूला होगा तो होगी सजा। 9 से 5 दिन और रात काम करे दिल से काम, सिर से शान। क्रांति नारी देने आई हक समान, क्रांति नारी है प्रकृति का वरदान। क्रांति नारी, 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 क्रांति। समाज का अत्याचार रिवाज बदला आज, हुए मिराज का शिकार अच्छाई का नकाब। जान के अनदेखा रोज हुए बलात्कार, करते लोग चर्चा लेके जाए और समाचार। अब हाथ क्या उठाएगा जैसा भी तू शराबी, खत्म तेरी कहानी और ना होगी गुलामी। नहीं मर्दों की सेवा, साथ बढ़ने की तैयारी, दूर होगी समस्या, साथ आए महिलाएं सारी। टूट के बिखर गई अन्याय की बेड़िया, रफ्तार से जब चढ़ती महिला प्रगति की सीढ़ियां। खड़े रहे साथ हो अन्याय का विनाश, नारी शक्ति में भी समान है आत्मविश्वास। 5 उंगली से मुट्ठी बनती, शुरू वही से होती क्रांति। क्रोध के विरुद्ध नारी चाहती सिर्फ नित्य शांति। धूप न छाया, समानता का गाना गाया, वो मानवता की क्या सृष्टि की महामाया। से 5 दिन और रात काम करे दिल से काम, सिर से शान। क्रांति नारी देने आई हक समान, क्रांति नारी है प्रकृति का वरदान। क्रांति नारी, 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 क्रांति। All right. There's more. Don't worry. So Kranti means revolution. Nari means woman. Kranti Nari means a revolutionary woman. Do you agree? I can't hear you, man. That's right. So I feel most people see things that are there and ask, why? But dreamers see things that aren't there and ask, why not? So I'm dreaming with you. I had wrote a letter to myself before Krantinari even started. And I'm going to read a small snippet of that for you. I once knew a girl who was solid as a rock, full of future and promises. Her mind seemed stronger than an ox. Face of beauty, her tongue was honest as it got, but rock bottom, she was lost. She found herself in Loki's lyrics. She told herself that she's going to be the voice of the voiceless. She wanted to just make a big difference. Before she actually entered this world, which was so misogynist and patriarchal, she had already swallowed tons and tons of horror. And the magnitude of it was just too much for a 9-year-old girl to take in. She used to go to school with girls who would come back in like every morning saying that, hey, I got a new oil burn stain on my shoulder, on my arm, on my back. She had friends with belted scars and they didn't know where to go. She had seen dead bodies in the garden at the age of 9. And when you have swallowed so much of horror, you're only looking for an escape or someone to come and save you from this trauma that's just inside you, pents up so much frustration that you want to skip through. So, what came by? What helped? There was one thing, and there was that one savior that saved all of us, and that was hip hop. So I believe that hip hop heals. So when there's so much trauma, there's so much of violence that even in your silence, it speaks louder. It occupies the space in your head that is so loud that violence continues in your head. You then have so much trauma built up. But hip hop gives you that space to vent out. That's where you are fearless. You just say what you want to say. You're free. You're the ultimate freedom at that point. And when you have that freedom, then you heal because there's space for newer things to come in. So when that happens, I believe that brings a systematic change. And we did something around in the city where we were like noticing people around ki Are, you also have trauma, you also have trauma, we have so much of collective trauma. So we came up with something called as Wild Wild Women. It's India's first all-female hip-hop collective. It has 5 rappers, 2 breakdancers, a skateboard artist, a mural artist, and a graffiti artist. We express our violence and trauma in the head through different kinds of mediums of hip hop. So, Wild Wild Women has impacted 7,000 women across the country. We do shows for so many people, but we also do workshops where we speak about mental health and create these vulnerable spaces where women can express themselves. Just not being stuck in those 4 walls, right? How long can you do that? So, we create these spaces for each other to, just cry and just feel free out of that violence. This is how we look on stage, and it's a beautiful time. It's where everyone's in sync, so it's my most favorite time. Urban experiment, which is Wild Wild Women, I thought to take it a step further and work on preservation of folk music and women across India who have stopped making folk music. They say that we are so poor, इतनी गरीबी है कि नहीं कर सकते हम music. So my aim with Sound of Women is to preserve and revive all the musicians who have stopped making music. So coming back to Kranti Nari, people ask me that what is such a big deal about it. I say Kranti Nari is not me. Kranti Nari is everyone here, even in this room. So you will ask me, how can I be Kranti Nari? Can I actually be Kranti Nari? So I say, yeah, of course you can. So, being in IIT all the time, everyone's just talking about formulas, mathematics, physics, and chemistry, and I don't understand any of it. But because I was surrounded by all of them all the time, I thought, okay, why not just make a formula? A formula that can impact the masses. And I believe that the formula to be Krantinari is this. If you can decode without me explaining, you guys are dope mathematicians, man. But still, I'll just explain. So, the first step is that we need to aim to have to reclaim our own spaces. Just have that aim that I want to be myself in my own space. That's the start of it. Then we go towards practicing fearlessness and reducing ego. Practicing fearlessness is to be with yourself and beating out all those trauma and telling that, okay, what is this like? Why not? Why can't I do this? Beat your fearlessness and reduce the ego. But if you conquer it and bring trust as a replacement of it, it does wonders. One of the examples is that one of my crewmates, she used to face domestic violence and abuse on daily basis. The only way out was she had to trust herself. And when she trusted herself, we all as a collective could make a system, a collective support system for her. So the next was to trust over trauma and make a collective system so that anytime she felt low, we would be there for her. So make a community. And then the last one is the most interesting one, where why can't we all be God is my own, like, it's my question since childhood. Why can't I be God? So then art and hip hop gave me that space where I created this character, Kranti Nari, who's beyond me, who's beyond my imagination. And I always look up to her and get inspired by her and be like, yo, man, you're just killing it all the time. Like, you're so inspiring. And every single day passes by just looking up to her. There's no world beyond it to compare. There is nothing to be in conflict with. It's just you and your creation. So create your own identity, have a stage name. Stage name comes from hip hop for me. Hip hop has given me a lot of power. And yeah, that's it. You can be Kranti Nari too. So I would like to end this by saying that when I was looking up to Kranti Nari, she said that there's one thing I want to share. She said, dreamers who make their dreams come true are artists, but women who make their dreams come true is known as Kranti Nari. Thank you so much.